nakesa mwananga
Nakhe.
ona kumwananga okupapa nakesa mwananga
Siyabonga.
nakesa mwananga okupapa
Nakesa baba.
nakesa baba mwananga
Yeah, presents for you.
Babu papeni. Ngathi bangihamba ngathola ama stationery awu 2000 kanye nama ecathulo zi 1000. And then because ngirepresenta the whole country, I decided ukuthi as a president of the Pinga Nation not be given to only abantu bakwaZulu, and also encouraged by my sister here, Tebogo Mahlayela, and siyacela baba bapeni as a leader esimhloniphayo thina kakhulu musically, culturally, and ngayo yonke indlela sicela uthathe nazo icathulo baba uhambe nazo esigabeni ukuthi baba uphe noma ngabe umuphi umndeni
mwananga avule ngibone phela ngoze ngifakele amabhomu amvule ngibone. Oh wow. How many? Zingakana? Zingaki?
mhlawumbe uzuba
17.
oh 17 my box is 17 by 17 shooting almost 40.
Okay.
Yes.
No. Ngiyabonga. Nakhensa ngwina ntamnika kwele Giyani. Yuma kwala ka Mapinga. Namutlha a hihlangana ku ri ku va na ntwanano wa rixaka South Africa hinkwayo. Se nakhensa mpo. Nakhensa mwananga.
Nakhe.
Ona ku mwananga okupapa. Nakhensa mwananga.
Siyabonga.
Nakhensa mwananga okupapa.
Nakesa baba.
Nakhensa baba. Mwananga. Leswi swi huma namuntlha ku ri ntamnika kwele makaya. Namuntlha hi vanhu van'we. We are one. Nyimpi ya hina hinkwenu. The fight is for all of us. The peace is inside of us. Ni vulavula hi xilungu xa broken because I grow broken. And then
I feel better.
yeah,
You
understand.
you understand?
Yeah.
It's a communication.
Yes.
I speak poor English because I grow poor.
And it's not your
I'm
language.
not the English.
Not your language.
You're saying I'm a scapula.
Yes.
I'm trying to make them to understand. Look, no one is strong as Shanga and I'm getting to wow. Say no today I'm so happy. I believe in Munduman join Lapa e
Being the
Pinga Nation.
is a good to Kuluma is Shangan, I'm shy. We man because once you march you have all the nation, all the language. Yeah, and cases and cases. Everything is everything is
Mana zicathulo siye village singaphelele ingane zakhe zo32.
Zinomiziyazi. Yeah, only the two. The youngest 15 and 7.
But soon and very soon,
Msebenzi wami wakunikela.
please invite us. Please invite us. We want to come and
No, nakhensa swinene, nakhensa. Hey, I'm not singing here. Take the
Nakesa
mic.
Papa.
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yo,
Nakhensa
you make
baba.
my day.
Nakhensa
Inendlela
baba.
siku. So shena boxing sikhlela kwala. Siya Giyani.
Yeah, ukahamba nakho konke phela baba.
You can see.
And then when you invite us, we come with more. And please don't change
No.
attitude yakho baba, and the way you are in parliament, we also follow you. And say bona zonke izinto zenzayo nendlela ukhuluma ngayo nendlela okumele is because when you come they think the committee is here, the only they want is to laugh like this stupid because Malema don't always laugh at you and try to make you
Abanye abantu abathuki. Mangithuka wazi kusasa uzongena kuphi. But what I want to say, ngiyabonga nakhensa. Nikhensa swinene. Hinkwaswo leswi endleka kulani. Nakhensa ikubuyisa South Africa yiba xuluxiwe.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga.
Lokho umsebenzi wami is what I do.
Thank you.
I believe today ngoba sengila siyakhuluma
Yes.
bazobuya endleleni
Yes.
ngoba to tell you the
Bona
truth
bongulayele phela baba
ngoba bathi tamati selabona le-1 libonisa yonke waba rotten tomatoes manje you are a fresh tomatoes today
wethu wayigete fresh water
kwasuka imbungulu le-1 encolisa zonke imbungulu lo mfana mara namhla zishayinekile ziyaphila zonke thina siyahlonipha eke lento manilo afowethu nathi zobakhona itabakhona kamwini
Angidaba khona ke
mani
nami
yake
nami
lapha
ngangwena.
umlungulayela
Nami ngizakhensa khona lapho.
ngizokwenza imangela la
Nami ngizakhensa khona lapho.
okay Shinene
Siyabonga.
Did you take more pictures? Can you take more pictures with the shoes, Mondi?
Mina angifuni ukuthatha ama pictures kakhulu nezintombi ezinhle ngoba vele kube ngathi yami.